Hello, everyone, and welcome. As you know, some of the most cherished videos on my YouTube channel have been regarding new Windows features. And in that regard, we've got a new one to talk to you about today. File Explorer finally has tabs. The Mac operating system has had tabs in their Explorer version. We've had tabs in all kinds of GUIs in Linux. Finally, we get them in Windows 11. They arrived via a 2023 minor update. So if you've been keeping up to date with your Windows 11, you'll have the tabs. Let's jump in and take a look at these. If you open File Explorer and you see a plus button next to this open tab, it means that you have the tabs feature. By the way, this is going to look a lot better for us if we go into dark mode. So let me go into dark mode right now. Little bonus tip. I'm going to go to personalization, colors, and choose the dark mode. Oh, so pleasing to my eye. I have been using dark mode now on all of my Windows boxes. Let's demonstrate these tabs in action, why don't we? So I'll use the downloads folder where I've got a bunch of stuff that needs to be filed away. That would be a real good use case for this. So I might go, okay, let me right-click Documents and open in a new tab. Let me right-click Pictures and open in a new tab. Let me right-click Music and open in a new tab. And finally, Videos, get them open in a new tab. And wait a minute, what about the old recycle bin? Let me right-click, pin that to quick access, go back to my File Explorer, and now open the recycle bin in a new tab. Wonderful. Now I can come over here, I can find the garbage, I can click on that and cut it, perhaps, and then go over to the recycle bin and paste it. Can you drag and drop? Yeah, you can drag and drop. Let me show you that. It doesn't work as slick as it does on the Mac. On the Mac, I could grab these images and drop them on the Pictures tab, and it's smart enough to put them in the Pictures folder. Here, it's going to open the Pictures folder. By the way, I would do myself a favor if this were an actual cleanup of my downloads. I would organize by type. So now all three of my images are together. I can shift click those three, and then I can drag to the Pictures folder. Notice it opens that folder and I can drag them there. Not as slick as the Mac. I wish we could just drop them on top of the tab. Maybe that's an improvement that Microsoft will make. By the way, if you wanted to reorder these tabs, you can. So I can drag the videos over so it's ahead of music. I can drag it so it's ahead of the pictures. That does work. In interest of completion, let me file the rest of these away. So I'm going to drag my docs and put it in the Documents folder. I'm going to take my songs and I'm going to get them over to Music. Nope, that's a recycle bin. So let's make darn sure we are in the correct tab when we do this. And then finally, the videos are going to go over to the Videos folder. There we go. So we've cleaned up our downloads with these tabs. Something else that's probably coming from Microsoft on this feature is the ability to take one of these tabs and drag it outside of, oh, they did get that working. That's wonderful. Look at that. That did not work in earlier versions of Windows. You could not drag the tabs out to create a separate window for that tab. They did get it working. Let's see one last feature that wasn't working that may be today. Let me organize these two side by side, these windows. Can we take a tab from one Explorer and bring it into another? No. So can't do that yet. But I do love that they have added this feature that many were requesting, and that is dragging a tab out for a separate window. So this is a new Windows 11 feature that a lot of us have been waiting for. As you can see, it can really increase your productivity with the File Explorer. And quite frankly, Microsoft Windows is finally catching up to a whole lot of other GUI-based operating systems or operating systems that have a GUI option like Linux. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll be back, of course, with more great operating system tips for you.